Hi friends, we are going to do calendar. Now, yesterday was the 21st, so what number comes after 21? You're right, it's 22. It's a 2 and a 2. So let's write that down. A 2 in the tens place and a 2 in the ones place. So it's Tuesday, September 22, 2020. What number comes after 22? You're right, it's 23. So it's 2 and a 3. Let's go on to our 10 frames. Now, yesterday we finished one group of 10, so we filled in one 10 frame. So we're going to start on another 10 frames. So let's take a counter, let's move it over, and let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So what's today's number? You're right, it's 11. Now, is there a faster way to count that? You're right. We already know that this is 10, so we can start from the number 10 and count up. Ready? 10, 11. Now let's go to our tally marks. And remember, tally marks were counting by fives. So we finished another group of 5 yesterday. So we're going to start in a new group of 5. Let's place it down and let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, is there a faster way to count our tally marks? All right, we can count by 5. So we can say 5, 10, and count up from 10 again. 11. Let's do that again. 5, 10, 11. Moving on to our 100s chart. Now, yesterday was 10, so we reached the end of our top row. So where is the number 11? When you find it, show a thumb. You're right, it's the next row, and we have to swoop back down and start on the left again. Now, are the numbers getting smaller or bigger? You're right, they're still getting bigger, because even though we're on the left, we went down. So as we move down, we get bigger. As we move over to the right, our numbers get bigger. So what number is it today? 11. Let's check on the weather. Now, today is a brand new season. It is fall. And the weather is cloudy. Let's move on to our shapes. Take a look at the shape and tell me what shape it is. You're right, it is a hexagon. So let's write that down. Now count the sides on the hexagon. You're right, it is 6 sides. Now let's count the vertices on our hexagon. You're right, it is 6 vertices. Let's move on to today's pattern. And we have a square, square, hexagon, square, square, hexagon. What comes next? You're right, it is a square. Now, what shape would come after the square? You're right, it would be another square, because we always have 2 squares before we get to the hexagon. This pattern is called an AAB pattern. Good job. And that is calendar for today.